Within the next 2 weeks, there will be a surge in the number of COVID-19 patients after more people get tested when the anticipated hundreds of test kits are in place and put to use. To prep and accommodate the waves of inpatients needing immediate treatment, 3 healthcare institutions/hospitals have been designated and being set up post-haste. PTV's Mark Vitalco has this report.
The Department of Health and the University of the Philippines, Philippine General Hospital have initiated talks to designate PGH as one of the COVID-19 referral hospitals for NCR.
They are slowly transitioning para po magamit na natin sila in the coming days para specific lang for COVID-19 cases. Ang ating pong iba pa ring ospital, katulad ng Lung Center, meron na pong dedicated wing para sa mga kasong ito. And also, ina-assess na po natin ngayon yung ating N. Jose Rodriguez Memorial Hospital doon sa Caloocan para ma-equip natin para maging hospital din specific for COVID-19 cases.
Undersecretary Maria Rosario Vergere added that designating hospitals will help decongest other hospitals, forcing them to refuse other patients. She also clarified that there's no change in protocols. Still, only those PUIs with severe symptoms of respiratory illness, elderly and pregnant women with mild symptoms shall be admitted.
Pag nagkaroon na po tayo ng specific na ospital para sa mga kaso ng COVID-19, lahat na po ng iniisip natin na sinususpetsa kasama dun sa ating criteria na kailangang matignan sa isang ospital ay doon na lang dadalhin.
Meanwhile, the DOH admits delay in releasing test results for COVID-19 because of limited testing capacities. But as a response to growing COVID-19 testing demand, the DOH has already set up 5 subnational laboratories that will test samples of suspected COVID-19 patients. These include the San Lazaro Hospital, RITM, Baguio General Hospital and Medical Center, Vicente Soto Memorial Center in Cebu City, and Southern Philippines Medical Center in Davao City. The DOH said it can do testing of at least 50 to 300 samples per day. Preparations are being made to equip 2 additional sub-laboratories in Western Visayas and Bicol. Meanwhile, the DOH said more than 100,000 testing kits have arrived in the country from different donors. Besides, 4 testing kits from China and South Korea have been approved by the Food and Drug Administration. These are PCR-based reagent kits used in hospitals and laboratories. The FDA also said that there are pending applications still subject for evaluation. The DOH, on the other hand, warned that these are not home test kits.
Ito pong testing kits na naaprubahan ng FDA para sa commercial use ay maaari lang gamitin sa ating mga ospital o laboratorio na may kapasidad para gamitin ito. Hindi po ito basta nabibili sa mga supermarket o sa drugstore at gagamitin sa bahay.
Meanwhile, COVID-19 cases in the country jumped to 230, 13 of which are new. 204 are active cases, while closed cases include 8 recovered patients and 18 deaths. Mark